Welcome back to Trivianics. Today, we have a massive 100-question general knowledge challenge lined up for you. Track your score and let us know in the comments how many you get right. Don't forget to subscribe before we start. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, let's test your basics. Here is the easy level. Which large island country is located off the southeastern coast of Africa? Madagascar, Greenland, or Cuba? Madagascar. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? Mars. How many days are there in a standard calendar year? "365 days. What is the name of the fairy tale character who drops a glass slipper? Cinderella. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The Pacific Ocean. Which country is famous for inventing the pizza? Italy, France, or Greece? Italy. What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow paint? Green. What is the name of the closest star to planet Earth? The Sun. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? "26 letters. Which primary color is found on a standard stop sign? Red. What is the name of the frozen water that falls from clouds? Rain, hail, or snow? Snow. Which ocean animal is known for having a blowhole on its head? A whale. How many wheels does a standard unicycle have? Just one wheel. What fast food chain features a clown named Ronald McDonald? McDonald's. In what country can you visit the ancient pyramids of Giza? Egypt. Which of these materials is used to make traditional paper? Wood, metal, or plastic? Wood. What do we call a baby dog? A puppy. Which season comes directly after winter? Spring. What body part do human beings use to pump blood? The heart. How many items are included in a standard dozen? 12 items. Which musical instrument has exactly 88 keys? A violin, a guitar, or a piano? A piano. What sweet substance do honeybees collect from flowers? Nectar. Which giant mammal is known for having a long trunk? An elephant. What is the capital city of the United States? Washington, D.C. What do we call the lines that map out the shape of the Earth? Globe grid lines. Which shape features exactly 3 straight sides? A square, a circle, or a triangle? A triangle. What is the opposite of the word heavy? Light. Which bird is universally known as a symbol of peace? The dove. What type of fruit is traditionally used to make apple cider? Apples. How many legs does a standard insect have? Six legs. Which of these is a primary state of matter? Energy, plasma, or liquid? Liquid. What is the name of the force that keeps us on the ground? Gravity. Which famous currency is used across most of the European Union? The euro. Nice job on the basics. Now let's step it up. Moving on to the medium level. What is the capital city of France? Paris. Which specific bird is famously known for being unable to fly? The ostrich. Which element is represented by the letter O on the periodic table? Osmium, oxygen, or ozone? Oxygen. What is the name of the longest river on planet Earth? The Nile River. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? France. How many items make up a baker's dozen? "13 items. What basic mathematical concept represents the perimeter of a circle? Circumference. Which of these subatomic particles carries a negative charge, proton, neutron, or electron? Electron? Who painted the famous historical portrait known as the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Which metal is the primary ingredient found in steel? Iron. What is the hardest known natural mineral found on Earth? Diamond. In which country did the Olympic Games originally begin? Greece. Which instrument is used to measure changes in atmospheric pressure? Thermometer, barometer, or hygrometer? Barometer. What is the official language spoken in Brazil? Portuguese. Which major organ is responsible for removing waste toxins from human blood? The kidneys. What is the name of the imaginary line that divides Earth into northern and southern halves? The equator. How many total degrees are in a perfect right angle? 90 degrees. Which popular carbonated beverage was originally invented in 1886? Coca-Cola! What type of rock is formed from cooling volcanic lava? Igneous rock. Which planet in our solar system features the largest ring system? Saturn. What is the name of the main green pigment found in plants? Chlorophyll. How many strings does a standard acoustic guitar have? 6 strings. Which chemical element is the primary component of diamonds' carbon, silicon, or nitrogen? Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is the largest land mammal currently living on Earth? The African elephant. What structural gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Who is credited with inventing the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Which structural biological unit forms the basis of all living organisms? A cell. What is the name of the deepest trench in the world's oceans? The Mariana Trench. Which country is the largest by land area? Russia. What scale is used to measure the intensity of an earthquake? The Richter scale. How many human teeth does a normal adult have? "32 teeth. Which type of cloud is known for producing heavy thunderstorms? Cumulonimbus. Wow, you made it this far, but it won't be easy from here. Get ready for the hard level. What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which noble gas has the lowest atomic number on the periodic table? Helium. In what year did the historical event of World War I officially end? 1918. What is the name of the largest moon belonging to the planet Saturn? Titan. Which bone is the largest and strongest in the entire human body? Femur, tibia, or humerus? The femur. What is the official national currency of South Africa? The rand. Which historical figure discovered the mathematical constant pi? Archimedes. What is the main structural acid found inside human stomach juices? Hydrochloric acid. Which country contains the highest number of active volcanoes? Indonesia. Which of these historical empires built the ancient Machu Picchu site? Aztec, Inca, or Maya? Inca. What is the specific scientific study of fungi called? Mycology. Which layer of Earth's atmosphere contains the protective ozone layer? The stratosphere. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched into space? Sputnik 1. How many time zones span across the country of Russia? 11 time zones. Which unique chemical element is liquid at standard room temperature? Mercury. Who wrote the famous historical play titled Hamlet? William Shakespeare. What is the name of the closest major spiral galaxy to our Milky Way? Andromeda. Which deep ocean zone is completely dark and starts at 4,000 meters? The abyssal zone. What year did the Berlin Wall officially fall down? (1989). Which specific vitamin is water-soluble rather than fat-soluble? Vitamin C. What is the primary type of acid found inside a lemon? Citric acid. Which subatomic particle has no electrical charge whatsoever? The neutron. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. In which ocean would you find the island country of Madagascar? The Indian Ocean. Which component makes up the largest percentage of human blood volume, red cells, plasma, or platelets? Plasma. What structural element has the chemical symbol K on the periodic table? Potassium. Who developed the famous 3 laws of physical motion? Sir Isaac Newton. What is the most abundant metal element found inside Earth's crust? Aluminum. Which historical country was the first to give women the right to vote? New Zealand. Which organelle is famously called the powerhouse of a biological cell, nucleus, ribosome, or mitochondria? Mitochondria. What is the name of the highest mountain peak located in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. Which European city is famous for its historical ancient canals? Venice. What color is a perfectly pure sample of liquid water? It's actually clear. Which type of rock is formed through intense heat and pressure underground? Metamorphic. And that wraps up our 100 general knowledge questions. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe to Trivianics for more daily brain training. See you next time.